Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add labels here in Pipedrive. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Pipedrive, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding labels in Pipedrive is a straightforward process that helps you categorize and organize your deals, contacts, and activities more effectively. Now, once you are logged into your Pipedrive account, I want you to go to your contacts in the left-hand panel of your dashboard. And from here, you see, all I'm going to do is put in a label. For example, I'm going to edit this name. I'm going to put in maybe a deep. Yeah, I'm going to put in deep laughs. All right. Click on save. And you can put in a label here. So I can put in like maybe a customer. All right. And go back to the contacts. This one, I'm going to make it like a hot lead. For Tony, I'm gonna put in like warm lead, and of course for Otto Miller, like a cold lead. Now you can also put in add a label here if you want it. For example, I'm gonna put in like, I don't know, Jeep Laughs label. I'm gonna add, let's be more careful for now, Jeep Laughs. And the color is gonna be something like maybe an orange or maybe a dark gray. Click on save. And you can add as many labels as you can. Alright? That's one way. Now the other option is, apart from the context, go to the deals section. And of course from here, on the deal section, for example, I'm going to be working with this specific deal for Jeep Laughs. And as you can see, when you go to this specific file, you can add labels. All right. You can add a label here. For example, it's going to be red. Let's say this is going to be a hot lead or a potential customer. So it's all up to you. All right. You can do that in every deals that you wanted here on your Pipedrive account. You can put in another information here, like documents, files, and a lot more, right? Let's put in like that, click on save, and that's how you basically add labels here in Pipedrive. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.